What's up, guys? This is my love letter to Shelby. Oh, this is Allison's love letter to Shelby.
Allison, turn around. And that's Shelby.
With a big old booty.
And she is saying it.
You ready? Alright, here we go. Hey, bitch, what's good? This is a serious love letter. Do you realize I'm here? You never acknowledge me. Not even a simple glance in my direction. You walk out of the room and I wonder where you're going. All I know is it's nowhere towards me. Why do you do that? But no, for real, I know the feeling will never be mutual, and that sickens me to the core. Where has your love for me gone? The one thing about you that pisses me the fuck off is your FSU pen. What the fuck is that shit? I don't even know. But other than that, I have no problem with you. So I just think it's really fucked up that you don't feel for me what I feel for you. You think I'm just a fat ass slut, don't you? Whatever you say, I know you will never forget me or what we had. My dick in you? Nah, just kidding. But really, you must remember, sharing is not caring. And that's one of the main reasons this fucked up shit has happened. Don't forget that, bitch.
That's a fat ass slut. Oh, stop.